In the ancient world of 201 million years ago, a pivotal moment in Earth's history was taking shape: the Triassic-Jurassic extinction. This period marked the end of the Triassic era and the dawn of the Jurassic, a time synonymous with dinosaurs' dominance. But this transition was no simple passing of the baton. It was a time of catastrophic change, a turning point that would shape the course of life on Earth for millions of years to come. The Triassic-Jurassic extinction is recognized as one of the 5 most significant extinction events in our planet's history. As we delve into this period, we'll explore the lives that were lost, the survivors that adapted, and the new forms of life that emerged from the ashes. This cataclysmic event was not just a chapter in Earth's history. It was a bookend, marking the end of one era and the beginning of another, claiming the lives of an estimated 70 to 75% of all marine species. The fossil record reveals a dramatic decline in marine diversity leading up to the extinction. A world underwater, teeming with life, was thrown into chaos. Species that had once filled the seas, painting a vivid picture of diversity and abundance, began to vanish. Among the hardest hit were the conodonts and placodonts. These creatures, spanning a wide range of shapes and sizes, were a testament to the richness of marine life during the Triassic period. The conodonts, often referred to as the rabbits of the sea, were small, eel-like vertebrates. Their fossilized teeth, microscopic and intricate, serve as a poignant reminder of their existence. Placodonts, on the other hand, were marine reptiles, known for their distinctive turtle-like appearance. Their heavy, armored bodies were adapted for a life spent grazing on the seafloor. Yet, despite their formidable defenses, they too succumbed to the extinction. As the marine world reeled from the loss of these and countless other species, the effects of the extinction event rippled onto the land. The terrestrial realm, once ruled by a diverse array of reptiles, was forever altered. The reptiles of the Triassic period were a varied bunch, from the small and nimble to the large and imposing. They filled every niche, from the forests to the deserts, from the mountaintops to the river valleys. Yet as the extinction event unfolded, even these dominant creatures found themselves under threat. The once rich tapestry of reptilian life began to fray, a procession of species fading into oblivion. The fossil record bears witness to this decline, a slow but relentless march towards extinction. On land, the extinction had far-reaching consequences for terrestrial reptiles, the dominant creatures of the Triassic period. Their world, like that of the marine species, was irrevocably changed. Yet it was not the end. In the ashes of devastation, new life would emerge, setting the stage for a new era of evolution and diversity. One of the leading theories behind the Triassic-Jurassic extinction is the eruption of the Central Atlantic Magmatic Province, or CAMP. This vast volcanic region spanned what is now North America, Europe, Africa, and South America, its eruptions painting a grim picture of ancient Earth. The CAMP eruptions were monumental, releasing immense amounts of volcanic gases into the atmosphere. Among these gases were carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, 2 key players in environmental change. It's akin to shaking a soda bottle and releasing a fizz of destructive change onto the world. These gases triggered a cascade of environmental changes, starting with global warming. The increased levels of greenhouse gases caused temperatures to rise, disrupting climates worldwide. Alongside this, the sulfur dioxide contributed to ocean acidification, transforming the seas into a hostile environment. These changes, brought about by the CAMP eruptions, had catastrophic effects on life as it was. Rising temperatures and acidification devastated coral reefs and marine life, turning thriving ecosystems into graveyards. On land, the climate became increasingly arid, with prolonged droughts decimating once thriving ecosystems. The rich tapestry of life that once carpeted the Earth was replaced with a barren landscape, a stark reminder of the power of nature's wrath. The once verdant forests and lush wetlands were replaced by deserts. The parched earth split open like a wound under the relentless sun. The shift in climate caused a dramatic shift in the composition of plant life. Many species of plants, unable to adapt to the changing conditions, wilted away, leaving behind a barren and inhospitable landscape. This had a domino effect on the food chain, disrupting the balance of life. The herbivores who had once feasted on the rich vegetation now found themselves struggling for survival, with their primary food source decimated. This, in turn, affected the carnivores at the top of the food chain, who relied on these herbivores for sustenance. But even in these dire conditions, life found a way. Some species of plants, the hardy survivors of this cataclysm, adapted to the arid conditions. These plants developed deep roots to tap into underground water sources and thick skins to reduce water loss. They became the pioneers of a new ecosystem, providing a glimmer of hope in an otherwise bleak landscape. Animal life too showed remarkable resilience. Some species of reptiles, insects, and small mammals managed to adapt to the changing environment. These survivors learned to thrive in the new world, their bodies evolving to handle the harsh conditions. They became more efficient, more resilient, and more adaptable. These adaptable species began to fill the ecological niches left vacant by the extinction. In the face of adversity, they diversified and proliferated, laying the foundations for a new era of life on Earth. They became the ancestors of many of the species we see today, a testament to the incredible resilience of life. Yet, amid the devastation, pockets of life persisted. Surviving species, adaptable and resilient, diversified and filled ecological niches left vacant by the extinct. The Triassic-Jurassic extinction serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and the fragility of our planet's ecosystems. This pivotal event from 201 million years ago continues to reverberate, its lessons echoing across the eons. By studying these past extinctions, we glean valuable insights into how species might respond to environmental change. These ancient life forms, their trials and tribulations, offer us a mirror to our own world, underscoring the relevance of these lessons to our modern-day environmental challenges. Our planet is a complex, interwoven tapestry of life, where every thread matters. Each species, each ecosystem, plays a crucial role in maintaining the equilibrium of our world. As we face our own environmental challenges, from climate change to habitat loss, these lessons from the past are not just informative, they're essential. As stewards of this planet, it is our responsibility to learn from the past and work towards a future where biodiversity thrives and ecosystems remain resilient in the face of environmental challenges.